What's up, guys, and welcome to another episode of Dirt Exhibition. Guys, in today's video we are going to be reviewing a very important piece of equipment, but really something that kind of gets overlooked a lot. What do you do for worst case scenario? Because unfortunately accidents do happen, and when they do, are you prepared for them? In today's video we're going to be reviewing the trauma kit from Desert Squadron. Now guys, we first got hooked up with Desert Squadron when we were on the Dirt Life show. Shout out to George Hamill, thanks for having us on. We got to talk a lot about Connor's project 144, where we are rebuilding that razor for Connor, and the guys at Desert Squadron saw what we were doing and they wanted to hook up Connor's machine with a trauma kit. But guys, not only do they want to hook up Connor's machine, but they sent Rich and I some trauma kits to put on our machines as well. So what we're going to do is really break down this kit, talk a little bit about it, and shine some light on why you guys need to have this in your machine. Let's go. All right guys, so here we are in the Pro XP. We have our trauma kit here. I'm gonna show you exactly where I'm gonna be mounting my trauma kit. I put a little bit of thought into it and I said, listen, this kit right here isn't for best case scenario. This kit is for worst case scenario. We drive at high speeds and we like to have fun. Unfortunately, accidents do happen, and if it does, we wanna have access to that. So let's say my machine, again, worst case scenario, flips over, I'm trapped, I have an arm that's jammed up, I have a leg that's jammed up. I wanna be able to access this quickly and in a way where if I'm stuck in my seat, I can still access it. So guys, right here is where I'm gonna be mounting it, right between both seats. That way, if it's right there, I can rip this bag off with one arm. I can start working that bag, getting a tourniquet out there, putting it on, start addressing the situation, start fixing the problem, really. Same thing too, if I have a passenger, I can grab that bag, start working on my passenger, or my passenger can grab that bag, start working on me, start working on themselves. Now obviously guys, you can put it wherever you want. If it makes sense, you want to put it in the back of your machine, you want to keep it in another bag, if you want to strap it to your roof, you guys can obviously put your bags wherever you choose, wherever you see fit. Like I said, personally, we just thought it was best to go with that red bag, so that way it's a different color than all of our other bags, and it's easily accessible right between the seats. All right guys, let's go through the list of what's actually in this kit, break it down for you, that way you have a good idea of what you're getting. This is all listed on their website as well, so you can head over and check that out. We'll put a link in the description of this video for you guys. All right guys, first things first, the Recon Medical Gen 3 tourniquet, it's gonna be this right here. Let's actually take that out and show you guys what we have. As you can see guys, mine is prepped and ready to go. I have mine through the strap, ready to go. I can put this on my arm, I can put this on my leg. My time strap right here isn't blocking, it's not strapped over, it's just ready for me to put this in and then strap it over. So guys, that's the tourniquet. That's gonna be your lifesaver. Your arms are bleeding out, your legs are bleeding out. You get that on and you continue going. The next, you have a Sharpie marker. You can use that for marking your time strap right there. We have 3-inch ACE bandage. We have quick clot bleed control, a splint, 4-inch by 5-yard gauze roll, 1 emergency blanket, 7.5-inch shears, surgical tape, that's 1 inch by 10 yards. You got 4 pairs of rubber gloves, 4 packages of burn cream, 4 triple antibiotic ointment packets, 4 antiseptic wipes, 4 alcohol prep wipes, 6 smaller band-aids, 6 larger band-aids for a total of 12, 4 butterfly closure bandages, 2 4x4 gauze pads, 2 3x3 gauze pads, and 2 2x2 gauze pads. Also guys, you get 1 12-hour glow stick. Obviously guys, you can add more to this pack, but this is generally what you're gonna need to first assess and start treating this situation. From there, you get the person ready for transport to a hospital, to an ambulance, to a med flight, depending on how serious the situation is. But guys, for what these cost, you can't afford not to have it. Now that's gonna bring me into my next point. Guys, these retail for $150. Now you have to think about what we spend on these machines, getting them tuned up, getting them accessorized. We spend thousands of dollars in these machines, and you have to think about the value versus the cost for a medical kit like this. These kits retail for $150 and they could save your life. A lot of times we're riding with our family, right? Our husbands, our wives, our kids, our friends, and you have to think about what their lives are worth. Are their lives worth $150, right? Is the equipment to save their life, or even somebody else's life on the trail that you've never met before, is that worth $150? And to us, it absolutely is, guys, which is why we think the cost for the value, it's priceless, guys. It is so important to have these. We are so excited to get these kits on our machines as well as Connor's machine. All right, guys, so let's take a minute to talk about the exterior of this pack. We have our medical patch. We have Desert Squadron throws in their own patch here. We chose the red color, and the reason why, because there is a reason for that. I don't have any other red packs on my machine. So if I'm, let's say my buddy flips over, my buddy gets into a situation where he's bleeding out, I need a tourniquet, I can yell to somebody, hey, go grab that red pack from my machine. I don't have any other red packs, and see this back piece right here is going to be mounted to my machine, and they can very easily grab this grab handle, rip it off, and take it to go. Now, guys, if you're saying to yourself, what's a tourniquet? I've never used a tourniquet before. What's quick clot? I've never used quick clot before. I've never trained anything when it comes to medical before. So why should I have this kit? Because even if I do get this kit, I'm not gonna be able to use it. Guys, I promise you right now, it's not rocket science. It's not something that a couple quick searches on YouTube couldn't show you how to do. Risk versus reward, right? So what's the risk versus what's the reward if you do in fact end up having to use that tourniquet, use the quick clot, and it actually does save somebody's life, like your family member, like a friend of yours, like somebody else on the trail. So guys, don't let that stop you from getting yourself one of these kits. All right, guys, that's gonna wrap up our review of the Desert Squadron Molle pack. Guys, the trauma kits are a huge addition to any machine, especially if you're going on long rides like we do, up in the mountains, hours away from anybody, any hospital, anything like that, guys. Again, we're putting a link in the description. If you wanna pick yourself up a pack, click on the link, head over to their website, and get yourself one. If you found value in this video, guys, please do us a favor, hit subscribe, hit the like button, follow us for more projects. We have Project 144 with Connor's machine going on. We have our street legal side-by-side project going on. We have the Pro XP here, gonna be getting a lot of new parts coming soon. So guys, we have tons of projects. Again, subscribe to the channel, and we're gonna see you in the next one.